Hey content creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Ocoya, a game-changing platform that's revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals approach their online campaigns. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your content creation, scheduling, and analytics, you're in the right place. But hold on to your seats, folks, because we have a thrilling offer. Ocoya for free using the link in the video description below. Yes, you heard it right, it's free. Let's jump right into it and explore the world of Ocoya together. Ocoya transforms your online campaigns. This isn't just any tool, it's a comprehensive platform that combines content creation, scheduling, and analytics all in one place. And yes, the results are highly impressive. Now let's dive into the heart of Ocoya. It's about making your life easier. No more fussing around with manual posting. Ocoya makes your marketing strategies automatic, ensuring you have a consistent online presence. I've added all my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, and manage everything from one place. Sounds great, right? The real gem here is Ocoya's AI-powered copywriting tool. I use it to craft content effortlessly with predefined templates like Google Ad and SEO meta description. It's like having your very own writing assistant. Just give it some key info about your product or service and it whips out coherent and impactful text. It's a real time saver. Now let's talk about the design. Ocoya offers a treasure chest of templates and customization options. Trust me, I had a blast exploring it. Whether you're into visually stunning graphics, engaging videos, or posts that scream "click me," Ocoya's got you covered. Plus, the integration with Canva is a great plus. You know what's frustrating? Inconsistent posting schedules. But not with Ocoya. Their scheduling feature is a game changer. I've effortlessly scheduled posts to go live at the perfect times, maximizing visibility and engagement. And the calendar view, it's like having your own personal campaign manager. And of course, no marketing campaign is complete without analytics. Ocoya's got an analytics dashboard that gives you an inside scoop on how your campaigns are performing. I've tracked engagement metrics, monitor reach, and analyzed data to optimize my strategy. Now I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Ocoya and use it to supercharge your social media marketing game. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Using the link below, sign up for Ocoya. To get started, head over to the Ocoya website. You'll easily spot the sign up or get started button. Give it a click. Now it's time to create your Ocoya account. Enter your email address and come up with a strong, memorable password or just a simple one like everyone else does. Click sign up and you're on your way. Verify your email after you signed up. Ocoya will send you a verification message. Open that email and you will find the verification link inside. Give it a click. This simple step will activate your Ocoya account and you're good to go. Now you get a chance to explore the Ocoya dashboard. Take a moment to get acquainted with this user-friendly interface. It's your command center for social media marketing. To make the most of Ocoya, you want to link it to your social media accounts. Click on Connect Social Accounts, select the platforms you're using, and follow the prompts to grant Ocoya access to these accounts. Ready to start crafting compelling content? Click on Create Content. Here's where Ocoya's AI-powered copywriting tool shines. It helps you generate engaging text effortlessly. Plus, you can explore the design features to create attention-grabbing visuals. The next thing is to schedule your posts, so head over to the scheduling section. Pick the date and time for your post to go live. This feature lets you plan ahead and keep your audience engaged at optimal times. Now let's talk about tracking your success. Navigate to the analytics section. This is where you can dive into insights about how your posts are performing. Check metrics like engagement, reach, and more. So there you have it, folks, a sneak peek into how Ocoya has revolutionized my social media game. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. So if you want to streamline your social media marketing, and take it to the next level, give Ocoya a try. Click the link below for a free trial. Now you're ready to rock your social media marketing game with Ocoya.